Hi students, today we are going to see a sums in exercise 13.6, right? Exercise 13.6, sum number 1. And in this exercise, we are going to discuss the volume of cylinder, right? Volume of cylinder, right? So what is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi r square h, right? Pi r square h. R is nothing but radius of the cylinder and h is nothing but height of the cylinder, right? So for finding the volume of cylinder, we are needed radius and height, radius of the cylinder and height of the cylinder, right? Question number 1. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water, right? How many liters of water can it hold, right? So what we want to find? We want to find how many liters of, that is the volume of cylindrical vessel, right? Volume of cylindrical vessel. So what we want to find? Volume of cylinder, but volume of cylinder in terms of liter, right? They have given in terms of centimeter. The unit is nothing but in terms of centimeter. So we have to find in terms of centimeter. After that we have to convert in terms of liters, right? So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Cube, this is cube, right? Volume is centimeter, always cube. 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So first we want to find the volume of cylindrical vessel, right? Volume of cylindrical vessel. So for finding the volume of cylinder, right? Volume of cylinder, what are things we are needed? Radius and height. Radius of cylinder and height of the cylinder. Here, what are things we are having given? See that the circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel, right? Circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel. So circumference of base is nothing but circumference of base of cylindrical vessel, right? What is the shape? Cylinder, right? Cylindrical vessel is equal to 132 centimeter, right? 132 centimeter, and its height is 25 centimeter. H is equal to 25 centimeter, right? But what are things we are needed for finding the volume of cylinder? To find, it's nothing but volume of cylinder. So volume of water in liter. So volume of water is nothing but what is the shape? Cylinder. So volume of cylinder only we want to find. For finding the volume of cylinder, we need radius and height, right? What is the formula? Pi r square height. Pi r square h, r and h is needed. Radius and height of the cylinders are needed. But in the given, we are having only height alone, right? We don't have radius, right? But instead of radius, they have given a clue, right? They have given a clue for finding the radius of the cylinder, right? Circumference of base is nothing but 132 centimeter. What is the formula of circumference of base? What is the shape of a base of a cylinder? Circle. So circumference of a circle is equal to 132. By equating the formula, right, we will get radius, right? Radius is nothing but radius of the base of the cylinder, right? Radius of the base of the cylinder. So radius, and if you know radius and height of the cylinder, then we can find volume, right? We can find the volume. So first I am going to find the radius of cylinder by equating with the formulas. So what is it? Circumference of circle is equal to, right? What is the base? What is the shape of the base of a cylinder? Circle, right? Circumference, right? Circumference of circle is equal to, how much is given? 132 centimeter. So what is the formula of circumference of circle? Circumference of circle is nothing but 2 pi r is equal to 132, right? 2 pi r is equal to 132. Substitute the values. What is the value of pi? 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132, right? Keep the r alone in the LHS. Remaining all you can take it to the RHS, right? So numerator goes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator, right? So R is equal to, already we are having 132 in RHS, right? And 7, right? It is in denominator. While it is going to the RHS, it will goes to numerator, right? Divide will become multiply. So into 7 divided by 2 into 22, right? 2 into 22. Now simplify. First 2 table, 1 times, how many times are possible? 6, 1 balance, 12, 6, 66, right? And 22 table, both are 22 table, right? So 1 times and 3 times, right? So R is equal to 3 into 7 is equal to, R is equal to 21 centimeter, right? Radius of a cylinder. Therefore, the radius of cylinder is equal to 21 centimeter. But what we want to find? Volume of water, right? Volume of cylinder only we want to find. So first we will find the volume of cylinder, right? So volume of cylinder is equal to, right? Volume of cylinder is equal to, what is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi r square h, right? We know radius. Just now only we have find it, and we know height also. H is equal to 25 centimeter. Just substitute. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 into radius. What is radius? 21. R square. So 21 into 21. 21 we want to write twice. 21 into 21 into height. Height how much? 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Now we can simplify. 7 table 1 times 3 times, right? So write the remaining 22 into 3 into 21 into 25, right? 22 into 3, 66, right? Into 21 into 25. 25 into 21, 525, right? 25 into 20, 500. 21 into 25, 525, right? 525 into 66 is equal to 34,650 centimeter square. Centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder, right? 34650 centimeter cube, right? But see that we have find it. Volume of water is nothing but 34,650 centimeter cube, right? But they ask you to find in terms of liter, right? In terms of liter. So it is nothing but in terms of centimeter cube, right? So 1000, already we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, right? So for conversion, right, we have to divide, right? So number of liter is equal to number of liters is equal to, right, 34650 divided by 1000. Conversion, right? Divided by 1000. 0 get cancelled. So 3465 divided by 100, right? Divided by 100 means 2 digit before we want to put a point, right? So it is equal to 34.665 liter. So number of liters in the cylindrical vessel, right? Number of liters in cylindrical vessel is nothing but 34.65 liters, right? Sum number 2. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeters, right? Inner diameter, outer diameter, inner, outer, right? So we are having two diameters, right? In two diameters. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram, right? See that I told you that pipe, it's nothing but pipe, cylinder. So it's nothing but what is the shape? See in the introduction itself we have discussed, right? It's nothing but pipe is nothing but hollow cylinder, right? Hollow cylinder. We are having two cylinders, right? Hollow cylinder, it's nothing but outer cylinder, right? It's a outer cylinder, and we are having inner cylinder also. And this is nothing but pipe, right? This is nothing but a pipe, a water or whatever it may be, it flows inside the pipe, right? Inside the pipe. So we are having what is it? And this is nothing but thickness, right? Thickness of the pipe. And this is nothing but inner cylinder, and this is nothing but outer cylinder. For inner cylinder we are having what is it? Diameter, and outer cylinder also we are having a diameter, and the length of the pipe, that is nothing but length of pipe is nothing but height, right? Height of the pipe is nothing but 35 centimeter. What we want to find the mass of the pipe, right? Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube, this is very, very important. 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram, right? For 1 centimeter cube, what is 1 centimeter cube? This is nothing but volume, right? Cube means always it denotes volume, right? Square means centimeter square, meter square, millimeter square means it denotes a surface area. Cube means it denotes a volume, right? For 1 centimeter cube, for 1 centimeter cube volume, right? The mass is nothing but 0.6 gram, right? 0.6 gram. What they are asking, find the mass of the total pipe, right? Find the mass of the. So first we want to find the volume of the pipe. Find the volume of the pipe and multiplying by 0.6, and we will get what is it? Total mass of the pipe. Total mass of the pipe. First we want to find the volume of the pipe. What is the shape of the pipe? What is the shape of the pipe? It is nothing but hollow cylinder, right? Hollow cylinder, something but what is it? So we have to find the volume of hollow cylinder, right? Volume of hollow cylinder is nothing but volume of big cylinder minus volume of small cylinder, right? You know that volume of hollow cylinder is nothing but, you know that, right? Hollow cylinder is nothing but, in a cylinder, right? In a cylinder, we are just removing a small cylinder from the big cylinder. We are removing the small cylinder from the big cylinder. That means volume of big cylinder and removing the small cylinder, right? So minus volume of small cylinder. That is in the volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of big cylinder, right? Volume of big cylinder, right? Big cylinder minus volume of small cylinder. Why we are subtracting? Because we are removing, right? We are just removing a small cylinder from the big cylinder, right? That's why volume of small cylinder we are subtracting, right? So volume of big cylinder minus volume of small cylinder is nothing but volume of hollow cylinder. What is hollow cylinder here? Pipe, right? Pipe is a volume of hollow cylinder, right? Volume of hollow cylinder. For finding the volume of big cylinder, what are things we are needed? Radius and the height. So we are having radius as well as we are having height. Height is nothing but same for both small and big. So we know that just substitute and simplify, we will get a volume of a pipe. Volume of pipe. After finding the volume of pipe and just multiply by 0.6, we will get the total mass of the pipe, right? So given cylindrical pipe, right? Cylindrical pipe. Cylinder or cylindrical pipe. Why I am writing cylindrical pipe means, cylinder means we will have only one cylinder alone, right? Cylindrical pipe means, right, inside one cylinder is there, outside one cylinder is there. That is nothing but hollow cylinder, right? So we have to write the capital R and small r. Capital R is nothing but radius of outer cylinder and small r is nothing but radius of inner cylinder, right? So we have to differentiate. That is very important. So what are the things we are having? Outer diameter is nothing but 28 centimeter, right? Outer diameter. So outer diameter means I am just taking as capital R, right? So capital R is nothing but radius of outer cylinder is nothing but 14 centimeter. 28 by 2, 14. Inner diameter 24. So I am just taking as small r, right? Radius of inner cylinder is nothing but 12 centimeter. Height is equal to 35 centimeter, right? And one more given is there, 1 centimeter cube is nothing but 0.6 gram, right? To find mass of the pipe, what we want to find? Mass of the pipe. For finding the mass, what we are needed? Volume of a pipe, right? Volume of a pipe. What is the shape of the pipe? Hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder, right? Volume of hollow cylinder is equal to, right? Volume of hollow cylinder is equal to, right, volume of big cylinder minus, right, volume of big cylinder minus volume of small cylinder, right? Volume of small cylinder. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi r square h, right? Pi r square h. But what is the radius of a big cylinder? Capital R. So pi capital R square h minus volume of small cylinder is nothing but, what is the radius of small cylinder? Small r, right? Pi small r square h, right? Substitute the value and simplify. We know that pi value, r value, h value, all the value we know that. Just substitute and simplify, we'll get the answer. So see that what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r square, right? That means r we want to multiply twice. What is the capital R? 14 centimeter. 14 into 14 into 35, right? 14 into 14 into 35, right? Close the bracket, right? See, first term we have to simplify all the numbers. After simplifying, we have to make it as a single term. Then only we have to subtract. That is very important. Minus, open the bracket, pi r square h. Pi value is nothing but 22 by 7 into r square. Small r. What is small r? 12. 12 into 12 into 35. H is equal to 35. Right? Simplify. 7 table 1 times. 7 2s are 14. Right? And here 7 table 1 times. 7 5s are 35. 5 times. Right? So remain, just write it. Open the bracket. 22 into 2 into 14 into 35. Right? Close the bracket. Minus 22 into 12 into 12 into 5. Right? Just multiply. 22 into 2 is equal to 44 into 35 into 14. 44 into 490. 21,560 minus 264 into 60. 15,840. While we are subtracting these two values, we will get 5,720 centimeter cube. So volume of hollow cylinder, volume of pipe is nothing but, right? Volume of pipe is nothing but, what is it? 5720 centimeter cube. Right? Now what we want to find? Mass of cylindrical pipe. Mass of cylindrical pipe is nothing but, right, for 1 centimeter cube, how much? 0.6 gram. So 5720 into 0.6 is equal to how much it is getting? 3432 gram, right? 3432 gram. If you want to convert to gram to kilogram, right? Kilogram to gram, we want to multiply by 1000. If you are converting gram to kilogram, we have to divide by 1000. So I'm just converting to a gram to kilogram. Just divide by 1000. 3432 divided by 1000, right? Kilogram. It is equal to 3.432 kilogram. Therefore, mass of the pipe, right? Mass of the pipe is equal to 3.432 kilogram, right? 3.432 kilogram. That's all. And today's classwork is over, ma. And today's homework is nothing but you can take sum number 3 and sum number 4 as a homework, right? It's nothing but volume of cylinder only we want to find. So just read the question, short out the given, what are the given we are having, right? And what we want to find, just analyze, and for that just use the formula, substitute and simplify, we'll get the answers. Thank you.